for like 4 months, I didn't color my hair at all. I didn't want to do any, I didn't really was in the mood to do semi-permanent hair color. So I didn't do it. It's been about I think since March. And I am just getting kind of bored with the gray and decided to get some color. And I went online and I bought some Arctic Fox colors from their online store. And this one is actually new to me. This color is called Froze. Maybe it's Froze. I'm not sure. It looked, in the picture, it looked like a really pretty frosty kind of pink. I actually wanted to make the front of my hair pink this time instead of the back. I always do the ombre from here down. And this time I decided to go ahead and color the front of my hair and actually have color framing my face instead of having it on the bottom of my face. I just wanted to change it up. If you have been following me, you've probably seen my hair with this color, and if you've seen my hair with this color too, the virgin pink. It's very pigmented. Their colors are very pigmented. And for the front of my hair, I'm not sure if I want that pigmented yet because I'm just trying it out to see if I even like it. So that's why I'm going with the lighter shade. I haven't even opened it yet. So let's go ahead and do that. Ooh, it's a very bubblegummy kind of pink, which is, and Arctic Fox has the best smelling hair colors. It smells so good. It smells really, really good. So I have this bowl that I use. It's just a plastic bowl I got from Sally's a long time ago. And I'm gonna put some of this color in here. I don't bleach my hair. It's naturally gray, so I don't have to bleach it because it is very white in the front. I do have some salt and pepper in the very back, and this part doesn't really take that much, doesn't take the semi-permanent color that well. So that's why on the bottom of my hair, I do mostly darker shades because I want it to really bond. But here in this area, my hair just grabs onto the color really well. So I'm gonna do this. Let's do this together. So here's the color. I only put a little bit. I don't know how much I really need, and I'm not gonna mix it with anything because it's already kind of a pastel-y color. I don't need to dilute it with anything. If I do need to dilute it, I either use, sorry, I got an itch on my nose. I use their diluter, which I don't have in front of me. I'm gonna put a picture here so you can see what it looks like. Or I use like a regular hair conditioner. So, but I don't really need to do anything with this. It looks very bubblegummy. Look at this. Isn't this cute? Okay, so here's how I divided my hair. I went from the front of my ear. I wanted to section it out over here, and this one too. It's kind of in the front. It really doesn't matter. You don't have to be super precise because your hair's gonna blend out anyway. So I'm not really concerned. It looks fairly even. I always like to part my hair from the middle, kind of visually have a guide. And here we go. I'm so nervous. I never do the front of my hair. I never go all the way up to my roots because, I don't know, I just want to keep my hair gray. But I have been kind of feeling like I'm not feeling the gray. It's been a couple of weeks, yeah, that I haven't really been feeling it. And plus this is going to be so light that it's just going to probably tint it, I'm guessing. Okay, so that little thing that I put in the bowl was not enough for my hair. I'm gonna have to put a bigger glob. And these colors are vegan, cruelty-free, and all that jazz. Eric is sitting over there. He can smell it. He says it smells really good. It really helps the algorithm, so if you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe, that would be awesome. I missed doing my YouTube videos in front of my setup here because I was doing it in the bedroom for a while, but I missed it so much. I wanted to do my video here. So if you have natural gray hair, it really depends on your hair, how coarse it is, and how much white you have in your hair. I get a lot of questions like, how long does this color last? And if you have gray hair, how long does the semi-permanent hair color last and all that stuff. It really depends on how often you wash your hair and how pigmented the color is. Like for instance, this color, this purple color, will fade a lot later. You know, it'll last a lot longer than perhaps something like this that's more diluted, because you know your hair would probably grab the color more. You just have to test out and see what will work on your hair. And I've been doing this ombre for like 6 years almost, so I kind of know what color will work with my hair. And two brands that really work well with gray hair, if you wanted to try it, is Arctic Fox and Manic Panic. Wait, Manic Panic? Yeah, Manic Panic. So these are the two that really work, and Overtone works well too. But if you want a really saturated color, you should get the one that is not in a tube but in a jar. I don't know what they're called, but those would be really nice to try to. Overtone is a bit pricier, which is the reason why I like to get Arctic Fox, because I got this big bottle here. It's 8 ounces. It'll probably last me, depending what section of my hair I do. If I do a small section, it might last me 3 applications. It depends on how much you use, but you know, that was $16 on their website, which is not bad. And then Manic Panic is, I don't know, don't quote me, but maybe $13, somewhere between $13 and $15, something like that. Oh my gosh, I went all the way to the roots. So, bubblegum, here we come. So if you are new to my channel, you don't know my gray hair story, I'm gonna link it in the description box so you can check out some of my videos if you are transitioning to gray hair or you're planning on going gray. I will put my video in the description box. I will put some links there so you can check them out. The link to this Arctic Fox and some of the colors that I like using as a semi-permanent hair color, I'm gonna link them in the description box so you can check it out if you like to. To process this, I'm gonna have to leave it in my hair for 30 minutes to 45 minutes to make sure that my hair is really taking the color in. Before I do this kind of semi-permanent hair color, I wash my hair, let my hair air dry. I don't put any product in my hair. So what happens, because I don't put any conditioner, so basically I only shampoo and then let my hair air dry. You don't want to condition your hair or put any products in it before you do this kind of hair color to make your hair really grab the color. So what I'm doing is just going little by little, because I don't want to put too much color in, so you know, I don't want to waste any. I'm just going little by little. Yeah, I really feel like doing my whole head this color. It's so pretty. This is so crazy to do my roots, because, well, there's a reason for why I don't put semi-permanent hair color in my roots, is because of the regrowth. I don't want to have to deal with the upkeep. But anyways, regardless of whether I do it on my roots or not, there's always an upkeep, so it really doesn't matter at this point. You can check out my page on Instagram. I have different colors that I do my hair. I do purple, blue, red. I did red for last Christmas. It was fun. So you can check out my Instagram page and see those pictures and see how it would look if you wanted some inspo. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait and let this process for 45 minutes, and I will wash it off, and then we'll be back to show you how it looks like. But I really hope that my hair takes it, because it's my first time trying it. I don't know, but we shall see. I will be back to show you the final result of this pink on natural gray hair. I am obsessed with this color. I'm so glad I went with the lighter color, because it would have been really shocking if I went with the boldest color here. But this is such a beautiful shade. If you have cotton white, or you know, majority of your hair, 70% or 80% of your hair is white on top, You will love this color so much. I just can't take my eyes off of it. It's so pretty and subtle, and it just blends so nicely with the white here. It's like a cotton bubblegum or cotton candy. Yeah, like a cotton candy kind of hair color, and it blends so nicely with the white. I wish I had more white back here. Actually, I wish that some of the salt and pepper would turn white already, because I want this hair color to be my hair color forever. I'm just like in fantasy land right now. After I saw this hair color, after I blow dried it and I looked at it, I've been having thoughts of having my whole head this color. Like, but then again, I'm like, well, I don't know, because I love my gray hair too. I don't want to always cover it up, but I mean, it's temporary, it's not permanent, so it'll fade. If you want to get more info on the colors, and if you want to get yourself these colors, you can check out my link in the description box too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was kind of entertaining to you. It was a little bit different, and I just wanted to do something different and just, you know, have fun with hair color. Even though I do love my gray hair, I just wanted a change, and this just gave me just enough change to be happy for the next, I don't know, 8 weeks or so. Let me know in the comment section below your thoughts. What do you think of this? I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!